DecoNetwork makes it easy to record waste when we make mistakes. Simply go into the line item that we've made a mistake on and click Record Waste. From here, we can choose what SKUs need to be replaced. So maybe we screwed up 5 of these 15 extra smalls. What that'll do is it'll trigger a new purchase order. So here, it'll get added to the purchase order from the supplier where we get the goods. So we need to buy 5 18500B from Sanmar and Cardinal. If we don't want to replace the product, don't record waste. Maybe we make a mistake and the customer just accepts that we're going to send less. Well, don't record waste like we did. Instead, go into the individual order itself, edit order, and simply reduce the quantity that you're selling the customer and save the order. You have 2 simple options. We can record waste and trigger replacements, or we can go into the individual order and just reduce the quantity. If you have any questions on how to record waste or anything else related to DecoNetwork, simply come up to the question mark where you'll find many great resources, including the ability to raise a support ticket with client services. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.